Stop doing sit-ups. Yeah, I said it. Stop. Right now. Because what if I told you the very move that everyone swears builds abs might actually be the reason you still don't have them? And what if I told you there's one simple, smarter move that works your core faster, burns more fat, and protects your spine, all at once? Today, you're about to find out why sit-ups are overrated, what actually builds visible abs, and exactly how to do it, step by step. So, before you hit another rep, listen to this, because this could be the turning point for your entire fitness journey. By the end of this video, you'll know why sit-ups are secretly holding you back, the real science behind abs growth and fat loss, the single exercise that builds a stronger, leaner core faster. If you stay until the end, I'll also give you one daily habit that professional trainers use to keep their abs showing year-round, even when they're not dieting. Ready? Let's break the myth once and for all. You've been told for years, do sit-ups to get abs. The gym teacher said it. The workout DVD said it. Even that old Rocky montage said it. But here's the harsh truth. Sit-ups don't burn belly fat, and they're not the most effective way to build your core. Let's start with what sit-ups actually do. When you perform a sit-up, you're primarily working your hip flexors, not your abs. Those are the muscles that lift your legs when you walk or climb stairs. Sure, your abs engage to stabilize your torso, but they're not the main movers. That's like calling steering your car an arm workout. Technically true, but it's not the real effort happening. And worse, each rep of a sit-up puts intense pressure on your lower spine. Your spine flexes over and over against resistance, which can lead to long-term disc problems, especially if you're doing them fast or with poor form. That's why many modern trainers and physical therapists have moved away from sit-ups entirely. They've replaced them with smarter, more controlled movements that strengthen the core while protecting your back. And the best of them all, a move called the plank. You've heard of planks before, but you probably haven't done them like this. Because when done correctly, with full engagement and progressive overload, the plank isn't just a static hold. It's a full-body challenge that sculpts your abs, strengthens your spine, and builds endurance faster than traditional sit-ups. Let's talk about why the plank works better. Reason 1, it targets your entire core. Not just your rectus abdominis, the six-pack muscles, but also your transverse abdominis, obliques, and even your lower back. This means you're training your body to stabilize and resist movement, the true function of your core. Reason 2, it builds strength under tension. When you hold a proper plank, your muscles stay activated the whole time. There's no resting phase like in sit-ups where you collapse at the bottom and restart. Reason 3, it's safer. There's zero spinal flexion. Instead, your back stays neutral and strong. That's why physical therapists love it. It strengthens without damage. And reason 4, it's scalable. You can start with the basic plank and gradually make it harder. Side planks, plank shoulder taps, plank reaches, plank walks, and more. Each variation increases intensity, forcing your abs to adapt and grow. But here's the catch. Most people still do planks wrong. So let's fix that next. Step 1, start position. Go down to your forearms, elbows directly under your shoulders, feet hip-width apart. Step 2, form the line. Imagine a straight line from your head to your heels. No sagging hips, no raised butts, just a clean, solid line. Step 3, activate everything. Tighten your core like you're bracing for a punch. Squeeze your glutes, lock your legs, pull your belly button toward your spine. That's your power zone. Step 4, breathe with control. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Steady and calm. Don't hold your breath. Your abs need oxygen to contract effectively. Step 5, start small. Hold for 20 seconds if you're a beginner. Then rest and repeat 3 times. Every few days, add 5 to 10 seconds. Your goal, a solid 60-second plank with perfect form. When you hit that, move to the next level. Plank shoulder taps or plank to pike walkouts. Each progression teaches your body stability, coordination, and endurance, everything a true functional core needs. And yes, you'll feel the burn, not just in your abs, but your shoulders, glutes, and back. That's how you know you're training the core as one unit. This is how you build real, lasting ab strength, not by cranking out 200 sit-ups that just strain your hip flexors.